if you don't have a motorcycle yet and you're probably thinking, hey, I want to get a motorcycle to have that moto therapy. And so that if you don't have a motorcycle yet, you're in the right place. But here's the thing, I don't want you getting a motorcycle to get away from things when you're angry, because if you get on a motorcycle and you're angry, you're going to have a terrible day. Motorcycles and ego do not mix. You're going to get angry. If you're not seeking out and recognizing hazardous situations as a new rider or even as a motorcycle rider, you're going to get a lot of surprises when you're out riding. And here's the thing, if you get surprised and what is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're going to be talking about this motorcycle rider having a terrible day and also have an interaction with a police officer about a quad on the road. And then I have to burp. As a motorcycle rider, you should be seeking out and recognizing hazardous situations. This way, you are not surprised if any dum-dums decide to do dumb things, because when they do that, you're going to get super duper angry. And we can't be having that on a motorcycle because we will lose every single situation. So we're going to be talking about some motorcycle riders that are really angry and having a bad day. Now, here's the thing. Cars will win. I keep saying that. I said it twice already during this intro. They will. So stop getting stupid. What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're going to be talking about this motorcycle rider that's having a terrible day. And then we have a few other close calls. And we even have a crash. What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we got this motorcycle rider having a terrible day. And then we all... Fuck, button, come on. The stupid video. What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. This is the 15th time I've tried to do an intro for this, and I have nothing to talk about because this motorcycle rider is having the dumbest day ever, and I'm sick and tired of it. I'm fucking gonna... Fucking stupid. If you're a new motorcycle rider, you're in the right place. And here's the thing. If you're riding around not knowing what you're doing... What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're going to be going over this motorcycle rider having a terrible day. And then we have an interaction with the police officer. And then also... Fucking shit. What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're having a What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're going to be talking about this motorcycle rider having a terrible day. Or at least he thinks he's having a terrible day, because we also have another rider crashing. Now, who do you think's having the worst day here? Somebody that maybe got cut off or having a little bit of road rage, or somebody actually having a crash? What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're going to be talking about... What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're going to be talking about this motorcycle rider having an extremely terrible day. Now, I don't want you having this either. What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're going to be talking about this motorcycle rider over here on the bottom left. He's having a terrible day, and I'm laughing because, you know what? I don't care. All right. What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're going to be talking about this motorcycle rider over here on the bottom left of your screen. And what's happening here is having a terrible day. Now, here, I don't want you guys doing that. I don't want you having bad days on motorcycles, because here's the thing. We're riding motorcycles. We're not driving cars. We're actually out there. Anyways, I shouldn't have to explain it to you. You're all motorcycle riders, right? Let's get to class and talk about this.